Log in to MyFP and hover over Vision 360. Select Meter Operators. Starting with the first operator in the list, locate the pencil icon to the right of the operator name and click it to begin editing. Scroll down on the page until you locate the text Postage Meter Assignment. Below this text will be a post-base ID beginning with the letters PV. To the right of the post-base ID will be a minus symbol. Click this symbol to deassign the meter operator from the old postage meter. Directly below the post-base ID will be a button on the screen labeled Assign Additional Postage Meters. Click this button to proceed. Appearing on the screen will be the new postage meter base ID. Please click the plus icon to assign this meter operator to the new postage meter. Once completed, click the Add Selected button to confirm. Lastly, scroll to the bottom of the page and confirm these new changes by clicking Save and Close. Repeat these steps for each operator until all operators have been assigned to the new postage meter base ID. Once all above steps are completed, please go to the new postage meter and press Menu on the home screen. Then locate the option for Synchronize and perform a sync all. Once finished, locate the menu item called Manage Admin PIN. Enable it and assign a unique 4-digit PIN. To see your operator list on the new machine, please perform a reboot of your postage meter. Please note this step only needs to be performed if more than one meter operator exists.